After clicking on the code.org link, you click the sign in button and you click sign in with your Google account. You click allow, but when you pick your age, you're a student, be honest, because it's very important. It will delete your email. If I'm under 13 years of age, I confirm by submitting that you have a legal right because we're allowing you to do this. You click sign up, your email address will not be sold with anyone. Okay? And they have all kinds of sources. And then I would go down to the hour of code and play any game you feel like. Thank you.